Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Islam Ahmed, your Arabic guide. And today we'll start with the first lesson in Noor Albayan. And it's about how to pronounce letters. A, 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 A. أقصى. B, 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 بيت. T, 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 تمر. So those are the shapes of the letters. So this is alif when we write it in the beginning of a word. And this is the alif at the end of the word. And this is the hamza. And we, inshallah, will study its rules later, inshallah. Ba in the beginning of a word, ba in the middle of a word, ba at the end of a word, and so on. Tha, 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 ثلاجة. جا, 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 جمل. حا, 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 حمامة. خا, 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 خروف. دا, 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 دائرة. ذا, 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 ذيل. أ, ب, ت, ث, جا, ح, خا, د, ذا, جا, ح, خا, ب, ت, ث, د, ذا, أ. Notice that this sign above each letter, we call it fatha. Whenever it's above a letter, we pronounce it with our mouth open like de, de, the, 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 and so on. That's it for today. See you in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.